Hi everybody, so we have a package here from yourcreativestudio.com. I'll leave a link to their website and to their Instagram. So they reached out to me and asked if I would like to review their August box. And I did cut it open, but I didn't take a peek yet. And I'm super excited because it says fall, which we are in right now. So this is the perfect box to receive. So right here on the lid, it has a little sticker. They always send a card, and their cards are the absolute best. Look at how beautiful they are. They always match the theme of the box. Definitely save it. Use this side of the card. They are so, so beautiful. Same thing with their tissue paper right here. Save this. Cut out each little piece and use it as embellishments. That's what I do. So let's go ahead and open this on up and let's see what we get for fall. These little bags right here, I love these little bags. Definitely save this. You can gently peel away the sticker and then you can reuse the little envelope there. See, it comes off really nice, and then now you have this whole little envelope here. So this is a cling stamp, and then they always show you what the stamp looks like. So we have a gorgeous little wreath right here. This looks like definitely something I would put on my front door. So you get a little floral, little vines, and then you can see all the details right there on the back of the stamp. So, so pretty. Next we have a washi. So they always send stamps and washi in these beautiful envelopes. Most of the time I think you get 2 stamps, 1 washi. We'll have to look and see if there is another stamp in here. Oh, this one is a little bit more sticky. It's ripping the envelope apart. So trying to be careful here. Oh, there we go. So in this one, kind of looks like a basket design with like a little bit of leaves and florals to it. Like a nice orange little brown color there. So that's what that one is. Let's see. Oh, you see we do have another stamp right here. Oh, cute. It's got a little lantern with a pumpkin. That's really, really cute. And this one, oh, there's 2 in there. Oh, look at the little leaf. That's really pretty. So these are nice, thick rubber stamps here that are like cling. And then, oh, there's another one. Oh, little pine cone. That is really cute. So it's probably close to an inch, if not an inch. And then here is the one that was on the cover there, the little pumpkin and the little lantern by candle right there. Those are super, super pretty. How cute that you got 3 in that little package there. Oh, bugs. I love bugs. So we have a sticker pack. Love the blue butterfly. And then there's some floral, some butterfly, and then a little like beetle bug right here. And these do look, oh, there's more back there. Oh, look at that rose. Oh, look at the bouquet. It has little blue flowers right there. You guys know I'm a sucker for blue flowers. Oh, there's another. They're in another pack. I'll pull those out. So these do look like vellum flowers. So let's take one out and check it out. Yep. So it's kind of like a washi flower is what it more looks like. So those are really pretty. I love that bug, that black and red bug right there on top. That's beautiful. Love the red in there. There's that. Let's see. Oh, what's this? Oh, there's like a nice little, not leather, like suede. Like a little suede piece right here. So these are really thin strips, probably about an inch wide. Oh, They have like a little bit of texture to the paper. And they're really thin, so they're not, it's kind of like washy, but like not sticky on the back, if that makes sense. So we have some floral designs in here. Some of them have some writing on them. If you love like junk journals or like vintage projects, these kits are going to be speaking to you. They are absolutely gorgeous. Oh, I've received this in a past kit, and I made a little journal out of it, a little mini journal. So my other kit, there was 2 different sizes of paper. Let's see if this one's the same. Oh, this one has 3 different sizes. So we have little squares. So if you want to do like little cards, like little 3x3 cards, you could definitely use this as a layering piece to your card. Then here is the beautiful blue flowers. And then, oh, that one goes to that one there. Then there are some more prints right here. Really, really pretty. Like I said, I've actually made a little mini journal out of it. I'll have to share that with you guys. I still never shared it. It was my first time making like my own like little mini journal. And I don't know, I thought it was like too plain, so I never shared it with you guys. So I still have it in the box, but I'll have to share with you guys. So then that way you guys can give me ideas on what else I should do with it to just make it like jazz it up and make it pretty. Oh, this is pretty. See, I love like the packaging details they have. Definitely save that and use that. Oh, look. Have you guys been to Disneyland and on the soaring ride? They have this and it smells like floral. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. So let's see. In this one we have a little booklet. Oh, you get quite a bit of the same paper. Oh, Halloween party. Oh, look at the little bat and moon down there. What's this? This kind of looks like advertisements. This looks like some more ads. Very Paris. Oh yeah, look, it says right there. New York Times. 1861, October 30th, 1861. That's what it says right there on top. Oh, that's pretty. The lady with her baby for Mother's Day. Oh, look at the car right there. And then there's this one. Those are super nice. Definitely would do this with some kind of like floral to it. Let's see. Oh, so it looks like 60 pieces, and we got some mushrooms in here. Again, with the beautiful packaging. Isn't this so pretty? Like, wouldn't you be happy if you just received... Let me take this off. Oh, I ripped this. Wouldn't this be so pretty just to like receive this little package just like this? I think that would be really cute. I'd be really excited to see what's inside. So look, we have the little mushroom tag right here. And I'm gonna have them do it. Oh, there goes my pretty packaging. Again, beautiful little envelope here. Definitely save that. And oh, you guys know I love stamps. And look, these look already all torn and distressed and inked up for you. Oh, that's pretty. Love the little stamps right there. Oh, look at the mushrooms. Very, very pretty. Really, really pretty. Love all the mushrooms. I love how they have like, it looks like it's a piece of paper, but it has like the torn edge already to it. Oh, look, and you can get your little circle punch and just go ahead and punch these out to use. See, and this one already looks all like ready to go, you know, with a little edging and little inking. Super pretty. Oh, look, that one looks like it's burnt. Did you guys used to burn paper? With my godmother, we would do, like, we would burn paper and then write out, like, little treasure maps and lemon, and then when you would burn it, it would, like, kind of, like, show through. We always did little stuff like that. So I love the little burnt. Oh, look, here's some more postage right here. Oh, these are really nice. Oh, look at that with the blue flowers. These are gorgeous. Super, super pretty. Little strawberries. These are beautiful, beautiful little stamps there. They'd make a nice layering piece with the little mushrooms. And let's see, what do we have? Oh, this is pretty. Look at that. The little fall leaves with the floral. Those are gorgeous. Oh, I love the little envelope right there. That's so pretty. Oh, and we got some little clear leaves back here. And oh, these are rub-ons. And look, I've never seen a little like spatula transfer. Whenever I've seen them come with something, it's usually like a popsicle stick. So I've never seen a little plastic one. Oh, that's so pretty. Oh, I love that. Then this is like tissue paper type. Super pretty. Very gorgeous. Love all the florals. And one last item here is some of the leaves and floral paper. Let's open this up and see if they are different. And see, look, this is part of the packaging, but definitely save this and use it for your projects. Let's see, are these all the same or are these different? Oh, these are different. Oh, wait. Yes. So you get a vellum print and then your paper, you see? Oh my gosh, I love it. So you get a print, a print, a print, then the vellum. Here is the little vellum. Oh, that's beautiful. Look. Here's the vellum for that one. And here is the other vellum piece. So you do get the different pieces right there. Oh, I love it so much. I love vellum, especially printed vellum. Absolutely gorgeous. And this tissue paper, I think they usually give you like 3 sheets of this like tissue paper stuff. Again, beautiful. Glue it down to some cardstock and then go ahead and make a little embellishments out of that. So that is our little share for today. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. Like I said, I'll leave a link down below to their website so you guys could go check them out if you're interested. And we'll see you later. Bye, guys.